There's a particular kind of quiet in the Valle d'Itria. It's the hush you get when the road turns a local stone, when the soil warms into the Apulian terracotta red, and when the olive trees pull long silver shadows across the ground. At the end of that line sits Lamia degli Ulivi. Hello, white volume built the old way. Tough stone, lime, wood, then finished the new way. With glass linens, energy-saving infrastructure, and the kind of indoor-outdoor prop that makes days drift without your noticing. The villa stands in the Ostuni countryside, about 6.9 kilometers from the Città Bianca, and roughly 36.5 kilometers from Brindisi Salento Airport. Bari is within reach by motorway, and the Ostuni train station is a short hop if you're coming in on rails. That mix, rural privacy with easy access to the white towns and the sea, is the precise reason people fought for this pocket of Puglia. Once you pass the gate, the landscape opens. 1.5 hectares of private grounds under olives laid out a series of outdoor rooms. The architecture speaks Apulian classic in its bones. Exposed stone, barrel walls, the answer today needs with floor-to-ceiling windows and the properly modern systems. Think new classic rather than rustic. Cool tiled floors, bright volumes, and the kind of detailing that makes an holiday house feel like home. Everything in Lamia degli Ulivi happens on one floor, a gift for multi-generational stays or anyone who wants step-free living. The core plan is elegant: 2 connected living rooms, a chef's professional kitchen, and 5 double bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. There's a 6th bedroom for their use. That's hotel logic inside a private home. Everyone gets privacy, nobody waits for a shower, and circulation stays effortless when you're 10 guests. The rooming list is naturally explicit for a villa. The master sits at 24 square meters, 4 further doubles come around 22 square meters each. All beds are standard doubles, 1.60 per 1.90 centimeter, and all 5 ensuite are showers only, fast to turn around, easy to keep fresh in a beach and countryside stay. The floor-floor layout and the ground level bedrooms also make the house elder-friendly. From parking to the main front area, you cover roughly 34 meters on foot. Call this chapter the heart of Dolce Far Niente. The axis runs from the living room to the heated pool, a 10 per 5 meter rectangle with an easy, family-friendly depth profile from 30 cm to 1.5 meter. And at the end, our fresco dining pergola. The pool runs April to October, with heating available. There's an outdoor shower to keep sunscreen out of the water and to warm up after a late dip in the shoulder season. Under the pergola, you've got a complete outdoor kitchen, fridge and wood-fired barbecue. Olive wood is the local signature, meaning if you are 10 in the house, you can host friends from the neighboring Trullo for a long evening without playing chair Tetris. This zone is where the chef will stage your Apulian dinners, crudo, orecchiette, grilled lamb, charred vegetables glossed with local oil. We talk about the beauty first, but what you'll remember is the invisible comfort. Start with connectivity, Starlink Wi-Fi, blankets indoor and outdoor spaces, meaning poolside video calls actually work, and playlists don't stutter at the far sunbed. Climate is equally robust. Modern air conditioning and heating throughout keeps stone coolness in summer and warm mornings in the shoulder months. Security is practical rather than theatrical. A perimeter alarm connects to a local vigilante service and typically while guests are on site. No false alerts every time someone forgets a door. If you are arriving by electrical vehicle, note the electrical car charger on property so you can arrange anxiety stays somewhere on the autostrada where it belongs. Let's get specific about geography. You're set in Apulian near Ostuni, the whitewashed hill town whose lanes in the loggias you've seen 1,000 times on Instagram. From the gate, it's approximately 6.9 kilometers to the whole town. Local taxis base there are and can be called as needed. A handful of small beach clubs sit about 14, 26, 30 minutes away depending on which coast segment you pick. Torreguacheto's Guna Beach Club at Punta Penna is the owner's soft spot when the wind is right. Day trips cluster easily. Cisternino, Locorotondo, Alberobello, Ceglie and Martina Franca pinwheel around you, each with a market day and its own personality. Polignano Mare and Monopoli line the Adriatic for the cliff views and the candlelit dinners. Lecce sits a little further as the Florence of South, all Baroque curls and warm stone. The point of Il Dolce Far Niente of this whole channel is to explain how to actually live a place, not just admire it. At Lamia degli Ulivi, the rhythm usually goes like this. Mornings begin under the pergola, and outdoor kitchen makes breakfast feel like a small heaven, with local yogurt fixed early and coffee coming out of the house and landing beneath the vines. If you're traveling with infants, cots and high chairs are already in the place before you arrive. Then it's either a pool morning, water at 10 per 5 meter, 30, 150 centimeter depth, heated with a shoulder season, or a beach plan stitched together by our concert team. Afternoons are for the white sounds and the testing. We'll arrange a one-year lunch in the countryside around San Michele Salentino or ceramics around Grottaglie. A chef can set up for the evening while you're out, then place platters the second you're back in the change pace into dinner. Evenings belongs to the barbecue, olive wood, slow fire, or to tasting menu under the lanterns for up to 14 guests at a big table, where reserve a local trattoria tipica or something touch more polished in Carovigno or Fasano. If Lamia degli Ulivi looks like you're kind of slow, subscribe to Il Dolce Far Niente, tell us the comments your picture the perfect day here, quiet coffee, market run, long lunch, barefoot pool time and midnight swim. And get in touch for your dates. We build the weeks around your what you love and let the Puglia do the rest. Thank you today to join us and see you in the next episode.